How to find block settings on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find block settings on Truecaller. First open Truecaller and click on your profile here, and after that click the settings icon, and now click this one, calling, and after that just scroll down until you find block. And here is it. Here you can manage block settings. It's easy. And now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.